I'll guide you through linking your primary bank account to Cash App securely, without having to wait days for microdeposits to verify your account. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Here's how to link a savings or checking bank account to Cash App. From the Cash App interface, tap your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and select Linked Banks. Tap Link Bank, search for or select your bank from the list provided. From your bank interface that appears, log in using your bank's online banking username and password. Select the checking or savings account you want to link. Confirm the connection when prompted to finalize the link and make your bank account ready for transfers on Cash App. If the linking fails, look for the option to Add Manually and select it to proceed. Then enter your bank's routing number and your full account number. This slower verification via microdeposits is your fallback if your bank is not supported by the instant linking method. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for more digital payments video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.